What's up guys, Andre with 509 Reviews, and today we're installing a Cayman Haswing Chinese, super good quality, the competitor for the name brand trolling motors. We're installing this on a boat, so I wanted to do a quick installation video. If you guys haven't seen the unboxing one and you want to see what's in the box, you can definitely do that. I'll leave the unboxing video in the description. This is a GPS unit, so I've been super excited for it. You can do stop, go, all kinds of things with it. Main thing is, when you buy one, make sure you buy it with a quick release plate. We're installing the plate now, and then we're going to be screwing in the unit on top of the plate. And then you could quickly disconnect it later on. Say you're not going to be using it and you don't want to, or during transport, you don't want it to be bobbering around. You can disconnect it. That's why the actual quick disconnect plate comes as a separate add-on item for an extra, I believe it was extra 50 bucks. Let's get to it. So you basically align it where you want it to align first. Figure it out. That way your trolling motor base right here is not hitting your boat, and wherever you want it to, wherever you want the head to go, align this perfectly first. I did it this way. It's going to go in that way, that direction, and the torpedo is going to be laying right here, and it's going to be on the side of the boat like that. You guys could do it however you want on your boat. I've got a few accessories. The reason why is I'm going to go put this right here. I don't want to move this, and I don't want to move this, so we're just going to be doing on the side. I'm using a 21/64 bit to make these holes, but you can go with a 5/16 as well. And so the tools you'll need are a drill, some drill bits, and basically an Allen wrench will come with the bolts that bolt this system down in here, and then your other mounting bolts that mount the actual this part, to the smaller one, or to the bigger one, actually. The one that actually comes with it as well. So super easy. Vacuum does help if you guys have a vacuum as you're drilling these holes to actually vacuum out the inside. Otherwise, you're gonna have a big mess. Once bolts are drilled in, the nuts are on the inside. Basically, I'm going to get a 12 millimeter wrench to hold on the inside, and we're going to use one of these ones with the drill, or with my impact, to actually screw this in from here while I'm holding it down there. Geez, what size are these? 6 millimeter. Okay, that's what it is. And then we just use a drill with an attachment, with an impact, and we're good to go here. So we'll tighten this up. Then the base will pretty much stay on the boat already. Then we mount the actual trolling motor to the quick release plate. And when we pull this goes together with this, and this stays always. Hopefully that makes sense for you guys. I lied to you guys. The nut is actually a 13 millimeter. So 6 millimeter right here for the Allen, and 13 on the bottom. So he's gonna screw it in, and we're gonna go this side and keep going with all three of those. And I'm going to go from underneath and hold it while we do this. Do I? Make it pretty tight. Okay. Oh. Okay. It's not going into anything. The last bolts go right in here to actually mount your motor itself to your quick release plate. So Just put a washer, one of these. If you can keep your fingers straight in there. Put that in. This. I need a little longer extension. That's it. One last one in here. No, this one doesn't even mount to there. Okay. Showing you. Didn't fit or what? Okay, nice and sturdy now. We didn't need this tool because we have our own. We use this as our own. Extra washers that came with it. We don't need those. So here's the 1 bolt, 2 bolts, 3 bolts, 4 bolts. And then you just close this up, close that up, and you're done. Now it's time to hook up this to the battery, and we'll get to that point in a little bit, and then we'll turn this on, show you guys how it rotates and all that. But this is the pretty much basic quick installation for you guys. Nothing really to it. I mean, there it is. This is how it's going to be on our boat. Could have probably went a little more sideways with it, so this would be more this way. Technically, I guess we could have went a little more, but it'll just be right there. It's okay. It's not in anybody's way. This boat's huge. It's 21 footer. So we've got all the room we need. My seats are over there. Actually, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the operations and all that when we're on the water. For now, this is just a quick installation video of the unit itself, how to do it, where to put it. You got to figure out where you want it on your boat. That way it's not in your way. No obstructions or anything like that. So that's where it's going to be on mine. And it's like this. Daniel, put it down. Let's see if we did it right. Locks it in. Pins lock it in. And it's not in our way, right? There you be. I don't know what's in here, but something in here is already beeping as it's turning, so that's kind of interesting. Shows you guys the percentage of your battery, 150 or 20. Power on, parking, pretty much all the basic things. If you want to see the unboxing video, like I said, link is going to be in the description. For now, thank you everybody for watching. God bless. Take care, like and subscribe.